Find the area of the following trapezium. Here we have 20 centimeters, 36 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. So you are supposed to find the area of this trapezium, and the formula for finding the area of a trapezium is I have into brackets a plus b close the bracket multiplied by height. Now this is part A and this is part B, and this is the height here. So you are supposed to add first what is in the bracket. Side A or line A, we have 1/2 into brackets. We have 20 plus 36 multiplied by height, which is 12 in our case. So add first what is in the bracket. That is 1/2. When you add this one direct, then you'll get 56. You'll get 56 centimeters multiplied by 12. Now let's simplify this one first by 2, 1. 56 divided by 2, you get 28. Then you take 28 multiplied by 12. The answer you get is the area of the trapezium. Number 2, find the height of the trapezium whose area is 436 centimeters squared, and the figure is shown below. So the figure will be drawn there so that you can see the side A and the side B. So this is trapezium also. So the area of this trapezium is 436 centimeters squared. We don't know the height. 24 centimeters, and side B is 30 centimeters. So we are supposed to find the height of this figure. And how do we find the height of this figure? We find the height of this figure by applying the formula. The formula of finding the area of a trapezium is area is equal to 1/2 into brackets a plus b close the bracket multiplied by height. Now our area is 436. Put area where it is area. 436 centimeters squared is equal to 1/2 into bracket. Our A, this side is A and the other one is B. So our A is 24 plus 30 into bracket, close the bracket, multiplied by H. We don't know the height, but we will know later after solving all these problems. So let's add first what is in the bracket so that we can open. So 1/2, when you add 24 and 30, when you add that and 24, you'll get 4, you'll get 54. So this will be multiplied by 54, then multiplied by height. Then by 1 by 2, you'll get 27. You'll get 27. So 27 multiplied by height h, you'll get 27h. So it will be like this: 436 centimeters squared is equal to 27h. Is equal to 27h. So divide both sides by 27 to eliminate to get h. Divide by 27. Divide by 27. 27 divided by 27, 1. Divide by 27, 1. 27 divided by 27, 1. 436 divided by 27, 16. So our height is 16 centimeters. Our height is 16 centimeters. Our number 3, find the value of x. We have two figures. We have figure A and figure B. So for us to get the value of x, we must solve first the figure B. And how do we solve figure B? We solve figure B like this. Remember the rules that figure B is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, and when the two sides are equal, it means the bottom angles, the bottom interior angles are also equal. So remember also the rule of a straight line. So angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, consider this one being a straight line. So this is 120 and this is 30. So there is something remaining here for us to get 118 degrees. So you take 30 plus 120, you get 150. Now, because it's a straight line, this one is a straight line back there. So take 180 degrees because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Subtract 150 and you'll get 13 degrees. So inside here we have 30 degrees. Now the rule of isosceles triangles, the two sides are equal and the bottom interior angles are also equal. So take 180 degrees, subtract 30 to get 150, to get 150 degrees. So that 150, divide it by 2 because there are two angles. So this angle and this angle will give you 150 degrees when subtracted, when we subtract that from 180 degrees. So divide by 2. By 2, 1, by 2, 75 degrees. So this one is 75 degree. This one is also 75 degrees. So we are through with the figure A. Now this one will help us to know what is figure B. So this one is a straight line. Here is a straight line, and the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So take 180 degree minus 75. So borrow 1 from 8, 7, 1, 10, 5. 7 minus 7, 0. Drop 1 here. So this angle is 105. This one is 105 degrees. So interior angles, we use the one interior angles because they are inside. The opposite of interior angles are exterior angles. This one is an exterior angle, but these are interior angles. So when the angles of an interior angle of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So you take x, this one, plus 105 plus 30. All these should give you 180 degrees when you add them. So x plus take 105 plus 30, you'll get 5, you'll get 3, 135 is equal to 180 degrees. Now subtract 135 from both sides. X will be 180 minus 135. 180 minus 135. 135. Borrow 1 from 8, 7, 10, 5, 7, 4. So 0 minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So this angle will be 45. So the value of x is equal to 45 degrees. Find the value of x. Today we are dealing with the values of x. find the value of x. Always this one is a right-angled triangle. This one is right-angled triangle, and the one side is 90 degrees, which is this side. When you see this figure, remember this means it's a right-angled triangle and it means 90 degrees. So always you take 180, because when you add this angle, 90 plus this one should give you 180 degrees. So take 180, subtract 90 to remain with the 90 degrees. So this angle and this angle will give you 90 degrees. Now subtract 90 degrees to get, divide 90 degrees by 2 to get 45. 90 divided by 2, you get 4 because of 8, remainder 1. Drop that 0 to get 5. 5 divided by 2, 5. You'll get 45 degrees. So this one is 45 and this one is also 45. So when you add 45 and 90, you'll get 180 degrees. Find the value of x in the figure below. Find the value of x in this figure. So this is very simple. This one is very simple because this one is a straight line, and angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So 180, take 80 plus this one x plus this one 47 should give you 180 degrees. So collect like terms together. 80 plus 47 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So when you add this one, you'll get, when you take 80 plus 47, you'll get 721. You'll get 127. So 127 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Subtract 127 from both sides. So you'll get x is equal to 180 minus 127. And our value of x will be 180 minus 127. So borrow 1 here, 10, 3, 7, 5. This one is 0 here. So you'll get 53 degrees. So our value of x is 53 degrees. What is the measure of the angle marked x? What is the measure of the angle marked x? It's very simple. Consider this one as the straight line. Then angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Kwa hivyo, you take 180, subtract 112. 7, 10, you get 8. 7 minus 1, you get 6. So this angle here is 68 degrees. And the interior angles of every triangle add up to 180 degrees. So 48 plus 68 plus x should give you 180 degrees. 48 plus 68 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 48, 68, this one is 6 plus 1. 6, 1 is 116. That one is 116. So 116 degrees plus x is equal to 180. Subtract x, not x, subtract 116 from both sides. So x will be 180 minus 116, 7, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. So it will be 64 degrees. So the angle X will be 64 degrees. So when distance did she cover? Jane ran round the figure below twice. What distance did she cover? So this one is 14 meters, 7 meters. So this Jane, this girl, ran around this figure twice. So what distance did she cover? So you're supposed to find perimeter. You're supposed to find the perimeter because distance will be always in perimeter. Now we say that perimeter is the distance around the figure. So this is the figure, maybe it can be field, and she is supposed to run around this field or a track twice, maybe to complete that race. So for us to work out, we have to know that this one is figure A, figure B, figure C. So take figure C and join it to become one whole circle. So it will be like this. Then the diameter is 7 meters. So you will be left with a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle, not the area of a rectangle. So here we have 14. We have also 14 meters here on the other side because the two sides are equal. The two sides are equal. So let's find the circumference of circle A and B. When we combine them, we get one whole number. We get one whole figure. We get one whole figure. So circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle is calculated by this formula: pi d or 2 pi r. Pi d or 2 pi r. R is radius and d is diameter. So let's find the distance of this one. And our pi is always 22 over 7. 22 over 7 multiplied by diameter is 7. By 7 1 by 7 1. So this 22 meters. But remember, ziko mbili. So divide this one by 2 to get 11. 11. So this is 11. This is also 11. Let's find the perimeter of that figure. Let's find the perimeter of that figure. So here we have 11 meters, we have 11 meters, we have 14 and 14. Now the perimeter of this figure is distance around this figure, up to this point again. But remember, this girl ran twice that figure. So we have 11 plus 14 plus 11 plus 14. So 11 plus 14, we get 25 meters, plus 11 plus 14 again, we get 25 meters. Then when you add 25 and 25, you get 50 meters. Now remember, this girl ran twice this figure. Now 25 is just one round. So let's multiply this by 2 to get 100 meters. So 100 meters is the answer when this girl ran the figure, round the figure twice. Have you understood? Thank you.